Hey, what's going on everyone? The FOREX Dude here, back with another Forex review video, and in this video we're going to discuss the Grand Capital broker that has been around since 2006. And now you're watching this video because you want to find out, is Grand Capital legit? Can you trust them with your money? And do they actually pay out when you want to request a withdrawal? So in this video I'm going to show you all the Grand Capital. Not going to be a very long video, so go ahead, stay tuned, and let's dive right into this video. Okay, so here we are on the home page of Grand Capital's website, and right away I just want to look at this graphic where it says they've been around for 13 years on the market. But let's get real, it is the year 2020 and anybody can technically put a graphic here that says how long they've actually been in the market. So there is a way to find out if Grand Capital is full of crap, and luckily there is a website called the Wayback Machine. So what the Wayback Machine is, it's actually a digital archive of all the websites that are on the internet, so we can literally go back in time and see how long a website has actually been around. So let's go ahead and go to the Wayback Machine, and let's go to grandcapital.net and browse the history and see if they've actually been around since 2007. So if we look right here, we can actually go back to 2007, and yes, Grand Capital was first archived in August of 2007. Let's go ahead and click the website. So this was what their website looked like in 2007. Very basic, and if you want to spend time going through the Wayback Machine, you can go through all the years and see how Grand Capital's website is actually upgraded over the years. And of course, since this is archived, all the contents of the website are not going to load up sometimes, but we can clearly see Grand Capital has been around for a very long time. So enough of that, let's go ahead and go back to Grand Capital's website and let's explore everything they have to offer. So if we just scroll down on the main page of their website, by the way, I will have all the links down below, including all the bonus offers that Grand Capital has. All those links are in the video description, and for their starting accounts, the minimum deposit is $10, and they have over 330 different trading instruments that we can trade. So it's a very diversified. You can trade many things: currencies, metals, many stocks, and different CFDs. So let's go right up here, and we're going to go up to for traders, and we're going to look at their account types. Now their account types are pretty straightforward. First, we have the standard account where the minimum deposit is $100, and you have 330 CFD and Forex pairs to trade. They also have a crypto account, ECN Prime, which will have a minimum deposit of $500. You know how it works with brokers. If you want to use ECN, sometimes you got to deposit a little more. Now here they do have the micro accounts, where if you just don't understand trading all the way, this is a great account to start with because the minimum deposit is $10, and it's actually a cent account. So if you deposit $10, your account is going to show up as a $1,000 account. There's also a MetaTrader 5 account, which has over 300 instruments. Some of those are going to be different of what is in the standard, and we'll go over that in just a few moments. And then they do have a swap free account. No commission is charged when transferring positions through midnight, and this account is designed specifically for traders of the Islamic faith. So let's see what they actually offer. Let's look at the instruments. Let's go over here to contract specifications, and on this page, this is where we can see exactly what pairs and instruments we can trade with a Grand Capital standard account. Here you have all your metals. We got gold and US dollar spot. We have gold euro, silver euro. So there's many different currencies. Also, of course, your standard Forex pairs, all of your exotics. But what I really like is their selection of USA stocks. So you got all the most popular stocks like Amazon, Apple, Facebook. You even got things like Ferrari. We got Google here, Goldman Sachs, and even things like Tesla. So lots of stocks to choose from, and they also have many European stocks to choose from. So the diversification is really good on Grand Capital, and you can even trade unique things such as even CFD meats, where you can trade the price of live cattle and lean hog on a CFD. So we got over 330 instruments to choose from on the standard account. If we go over here to the MetaTrader 5 account, there are going to be even more stocks to choose from, and this is a really good selection if you want to hit that opening bell for New York every single morning. Boom, look at all of these stocks that you can trade, and we even go to CFD Euro, and there's going to be even more stocks to choose from compared to the standard stocks. So whatever instruments you want to trade, Grand Capital is going to have you covered. And I'm not going to go through all of these because this isn't going to be a 20-minute video. I'm just making this video to give you the facts. Is Grand Capital legit? What do they have to offer or whatnot? But again, if you do want to sign up to them and create an account, make sure you use the links in the video description. There's also going to be a couple bonuses if you do sign up through those links down below, such as a 20% rebate back on all the lots you trade. So that's going to put extra money back in your account after you're done trading every month. But I also want to mention they do have a really good list of cryptocurrencies. So if you're you're a crypto fan, they're going to have you covered as well. So let's go ahead and check out the Grand Capital back office, and let's look at all of the withdrawal and deposit options we have. So we're going to go down here, and here's all the accounts I got. I also do want to mention Grand Capital has some really amazing free demo contests. There's an hourly one, there's a weekly one, and there's also a monthly contest. So when you create your account, make sure you check out those free contests. But let's click on here, deposit funds. We'll just click that button here. Then it will say step 1, transaction details. Choose the drop down box, and you're going to be amazed at how many different deposit options they actually have. I mean, we can even deposit with Bitcoin if we want, and you have all of these other things down here, such as Skrill, you got Vload, you got Neteller. So you're not going to have a shortage of payment options when it comes to depositing and withdrawing on Grand Capital, because all of these same deposit methods, you can also withdraw that. So if you deposit in Bitcoin, you can also withdraw in Bitcoin, no problems, okay? No questions asked. Whatever you're most comfortable with, you're going to be able to use. So now, just real quick before I end this video, I want to talk about Grand Capital's bonuses. This is completely optional, but anytime you create a new live account, they're going to give you the option to add another additional 40% on every single deposit. So the way that works is, let's say you want to deposit $1,000, and by the way, I will have this exact link in the video description. Let's say we want to deposit $1,000, and they're going to actually give us $400 on top of that. Now, of course, there's going to be a catch, okay? This money is for you to trade. So any profit you make off of the 40% bonus, you're going to be able to keep. You are not going to be able to directly withdraw your bonus, okay? This money is for you to trade. It just adds to your margin so you can continue trading a little bit more. So don't come in here trying to deposit and then trying to withdraw the bonus, okay? Grand Capital is not going to just give you free money. You need to trade, and if you want to actually withdraw the extra 40% bonus, you're going to have to trade a minimum number of lots. But any profits that you do make off of that bonus is very clearly said right here, the profit is freely withdrawable. So let's say you flip that $400 bonus and you double it to $800. Well, you can now withdraw $400 because that was your pure profit. So everyone, that is all I have to cover on Grand Capital today. So if you want to create an account, if I answered all your questions, go ahead, use my links down below. And if you got any questions, do not hesitate to drop any comments, and I will respond back to any of your questions. So with that said, everyone, the FOREX Dude is signing off. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, and stay tuned for my future Forex review videos.